Hey guys, Sunny here. Good morning. Just wanted to touch base with everyone and give some instructions on how to set up kvCore to Craigslist plugin and how to download Chrome on your Windows or Mac system. So there's three parts to this particular video here. The first one is going to be download Chrome, install Chrome. Second one is going to be to add the kvCore plugin to the Chrome browser. And the third one is going to be how to change your local settings of where you are in the area for the kvCore plugin. And I'll explain that and I'll walk you guys through it. So here we go. So go to Google and in the search, first thing, if you do not have Chrome browser, then I would recommend downloading Chrome. Just simply type in Chrome, download. And then the second link there says download now. And then you can download Chrome and then install it. And once the Chrome is installed, then you're going to want to go back, open up Chrome, go into Google again, and you want to look for kvCore Chrome plugin. You're looking for kvCore Chrome plugin. Just search for that, and you will see the first one that comes up here is a kvCore Chrome web store. That's what we want. We do not want conversion. We are using kvCore. So click on that link. And then on the top right, you'll see Add to Chrome. Click on that. And Add Extension. And you'll see over here on the right hand side that the kvCore extension has been installed. Now, once it's installed, you want to click on that icon, kvCore. And then here is the key piece. The set URL. You want to set your location so the plugin knows where you are when you post from kvCore, when you post a listing from kvCore into your Craigslist account. So we'll set URL. Click on the button Set URL, and then we'll go find Dallas in my case, and I will click on Dallas Fort Worth. And that's it. Craigslist URL has been set for kvCore. So now we can start posting from kvCore into Craigslist, different listings that are only JPAR listings. And that's something I'll cover in the class. You cannot post other brokerage firms listings. You can only post JPAR listings. And I'll cover that extensively in the class. Look forward to seeing you guys soon in one of my classes. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.